Today I'm making chicken meatballs with the leek and tarragon cream sauce. You're gonna love this. There's something magical about the combination of tarragon herb and chicken. They just marry so well together. Okay, let's get cooking. First we start with a shallot, and you want to of course peel it and finely chop that. In a frying pan, add some butter. You want it nicely melted, and then you want to add your chopped shallot. Shallots have a more beautiful and sweeter taste compared to onion. Now you want to add some garlic, finely grated. Now you want to just slightly sweat the vegetables, don't brown them. And then once it's done, turn off the heat, leave it to cool. For this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs. Chicken thighs have more flavour and stay juicier. Let's face it, who doesn't want nice juicy balls? You want to ground or mince the meat yourself. That way you know you're getting the best quality possible. When you buy pre-minced, you don't know what you're getting. Chicken mince ready. Okay, in a mixing bowl, add your ground chicken, add your breadcrumbs, and you want to crack one whole egg. Now this is really important. Make sure you use a spinning lemon. You just want the zest for that extra tangy flavour. I'm using fresh tarragon from my herb garden, but you can use dried if you don't have fresh. Both will work very nicely. You want to chop up the tarragon fairly coarsely and then add it to the mixture. You want to add some fine salt, about 1.5 teaspoons, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Mix using your nicely washed, capable hands. Would you believe it? I forgot to add the shallot mixture. So make sure you add it in before you start mixing. Beautiful. That's nicely mixed. Now for the leek. You want to trim it and chop off the green part. Now use the green part for your stalks, don't throw it away. For the leek, you want to split it down the middle and then wash downwards under running water. This way the dirt will come out. Then you trim the leek and you want to split it down the middle a few times and then chop it up very finely. To cook this recipe, you'll need an oven-proof pan. Add some olive oil, and once it's hot, add your leek. You want to cook it, but not too much. You just want to see just a little bit of browning happening. That's it, no more than that. Can you see that? Can you see the little bits of brown? That's as far as you want to go. Let's deglaze it with some white wine. Pour in your homemade, high-quality chicken stock, the one you made. Now you want to use the Dijon mustard for this. About 3 teaspoons. Then pour in the cream. I'm using a heavy cream. Using a whisk, you want to mix it all up. You want to season with some salt and pepper. Then add some whole tarragon leaves. Give it a mix, and then you want to simmer it for about 5 or 6 minutes. For the meatballs, you want to divide the mixture by 8 and then weigh each one so you get an exact amount. This recipe makes 4 serves. I like to coat them with a little bit of olive oil. Now you place them directly into the simmering sauce. Then you want to bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Your chicken balls are ready. Now I brushed them with a little bit of olive oil so they've got a nicer look to them. Let's serve them up. Make sure you use warm plates and drizzle that sauce around them. The cream, the tarragon, wine, the chicken stock come together to make this dish truly amazing. You're gonna love it. Enjoy my chicken meatballs.
treat here. Okay,